Okay, let's go see the gym. We're still on the 25th floor, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the beautiful gym. You can see just the great views that are all ready for you. You've got, it looks like some ellipticals that are here, and a good amount. You've got a couple of course, treadmills, 4 treadmills there as well. You've got some wonderful equipment here. There's some dumbbells, and then you've got some, oh gosh, this is great. You've got a great machine that you can do quite a few things here with your arms. So this is awesome. You do have a bench press. It's over here too. So you can do squats, bench press, and things like that. And then you've got some things for your legs and arms over here too. And this is, of course, this is overlooking what we just saw, the deck that's outside. So just a great look. And then over here, you're gonna see a private studio. It's a yoga studio. And so you can have classes in here private, or you can just go in and let's walk in and see it. So we've got a great walk-in studio that's awesome. This is rather big. This is very, very big actually. This is probably, I don't know, 16 feet by 20 something feet. It's very big, so you've got plenty of space. You could have a rather large class in here. You do have some spin bikes, or I'm sorry, Peloton bikes, Peloton spin bikes, not just spin bikes. So this over here, this is a really, really nice size. This is a great fitness facility. I love it.